Hey guys, Timmy here from Link Building HQ. In today's video, we'll be covering the HVAC industry, sharing with you our top SEO tips and tricks that can help your HVAC business rank well on Google. We'll also talk about PPC marketing and show you how to use that to maximize your advantage when it comes to visibility. So stay tuned. All right, let's start off with our HVAC SEO strategies. The first thing we're going to focus on is optimizing for local search. Optimizing for local searches helps you be visible in 3 key places on Google: the organic rankings, the local pack, and on Google Maps. Online searches for HVACs revolve around queries like HVACs near me, or they use city names like best HVACs in Houston. The search results usually look like this. What you see here is the all-gratifying local pack, and down below are the organic results. Now, the user might click on any of these websites. The odds are better for the results appearing in the local pack. So if you want people to land on your website or fill a form and become a lead, you need to do everything possible to get on the best rankings on Google. So here's how you go about it. The first thing you need to do is claim and optimize your Google My Business listing. Add all the relevant details. Be as accurate as possible with your business category, and make sure that your name, address, phone number, and all other details are consistent across all your digital media channels. Oh, and definitely throw in a photo or two of your office or staff. That adds a personal touch and helps a lot with better ranking and click-through rate. Next, focus on getting as many 5-star reviews as you can. Reviews are critically important. So if you have satisfied customers who are happy to leave a great review on your Google listing, go get them. Now, our next tip is about local citations. Getting cited on important local directories helps you massively with visibility. A citation is basically an online reference to your business's NAP. A good starting point for building citations is to create and optimize listings for your HVAC company on sites such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Foursquare, Home Advisor. But of course, don't stop there. The more citations you have, the more likely you are to make it on the top 3 Google Maps listings. In fact, we recommend building at least 2 or 3 new quality citations per month. But above all, make sure your business's NAP is consistent across all the local listing sites. If you're looking to up your local SEO game, here's a video that will be great for you. Our 4th tip is about finding link building opportunities. Backlinks are one of the top 3 ranking factors in Google's search algorithm, so they can definitely give you a big boost in your rankings. With the help of some free tools like Answer the Public or Ubersuggest, look for link building opportunities. Apart from free tools, if you have a few bucks to spend, a paid tool like Ahrefs can be super handy too. Another great way of building links is through guest blogging. With guest blogging, you pitch your content and earn external inbound links from reputable publishers to boost your rankings. Use the skyscraper technique to develop highly authoritative blog posts, which involves finding link-worthy content, creating the best content for that, and reaching out to the right people to promote it. I know it can be exhausting and time-consuming, but it is definitely worth the effort. And our final strategy is about pay-per-click marketing, or PPC. While PPC doesn't really fall under the umbrella of SEO, it can definitely help you become more visible online. And you know what? The things you learn in PPC can be applied to SEO too. Once you feel your PPC campaign has paid enough dividends and you want to shift toward getting more organic traffic, you can apply a lot of what you've learned, such as your best performing keywords, high converting locations, and customer behaviors to your SEO campaigns. So if you're running PPC campaigns for your HVAC business, here are some helpful tips for you. Number 1, identify the right locations. Start with targeting areas with high interest in HVAC-related searches. Number 2, have an optimized and user-friendly landing page. The higher the quality score of your landing page, the easier it will be for you to compete with paid rankings. Number 3, set the right budget. Strike the right balance here. The budget should be sufficient enough to get you some good results, but it shouldn't be a drain on your resources. Number 4, try Google Local Services ads. Google Local Services ads are available across the country for HVAC companies and are the thing a user sees when they search for HVAC services on Google. Your ads will show up for customers in your area, and you only pay if a customer contacts you directly through the ad. HVACs can generate solid leads from local services ads, as they are promoted as Google guaranteed. If you want to know more on how Google Local Services ads work, you can check out this page. The link's in the description below. All right, folks, with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed these tips, then like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching until the end. Until next time, this is Timmy signing off.